gon' bust for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Danyel, Anyssa. I do beauty, lifestyle, and more. And if you enjoyed that, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing like a fall, really cool look. So I want to share that with y'all. I already did my eyebrows, so I'm gonna use some concealer to put on my eyelids, and we're gonna blend that in. I thought this look after will be so cute for fall. Hopefully it turns out well. It's like 9:41 in the morning and I leave at 12. So we're just gonna pack it in. Don't rub, just pack it in so we can get an even layer on our eyelids. This is the new palette. I have this one and I love it. So we're gonna use this palette today, and I love it because it has the names already under the shadow. So for today's look, we're gonna use Stay True. This one. Okay, so take two. The eyelid did not come up well. I'm doing it. So we're gonna get my L concealer and we're gonna cut it. So, well, before we cut it, we're gonna get blending shade and blend a little bit in the top out so it won't be so hard on our eyelids. So we're gonna use Perfectionist right here to kind of help blend the top so it won't look very harsh up there, because we don't need anything harsh. That helps smooth it out as much as I could. And now we're going to cut it with a little shader brush. And we're going to get IMDANYELYT. We're going to get certified. We're going to get certified. And we're going to get that shade. Translucent powder. We're going with my Sail. So we're going with that shade. I look a little weird, I know, but we're going to go in Talia. I think that's how you say it. This pretty gold shade right here. And we're gonna get a brush like this a little small one. And we're gonna get a little bit of spray. So we're gonna get into it first. And spray it. And we're gonna put it right in the neck just a little bit so we can enhance it. And now we're gonna get our handy white. And we're gonna, oh, I did the look. It looks a little funky right here. So for the foundation, we're gonna be using the LA Girl Pro. So I'm using my concealer and I'll let that sit on my face. And I'm just gonna blend out the nose because I don't really like my nose to be. The bronzer, or use the butter bronzer in bronze. This gonna be this one chick. So I'm gonna this. For highlight, we're gonna use an Anyssa. We're gonna blend it off now. Because it was on white squat. And for our under eyes, we're gonna go in same color, Stay True under eye. And now for the orange we're gonna use that on the inner corner. We're gonna go back in with that Talia Gold Chili. Time to set our brows. I'm wearing a Dollar Tree Receipt Long Crisscross lashes. It's the gold packaging. Lashes are on, so now it's time for a lip combo. I'm debating what should I put. I'm gonna use probably the LA Girl Bare lip liner. Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Chai. So this one. And then we're going with Dainty Day. Hey Boo, so I am back. I actually finished my look. I straightened my hair. I did the lip combo. I did the Bare from the LA Girl lip liner. I did Bare. I did the Super Stay Matte, like the coffee collection, and Chai. And then I put a little bit Dainty Days in the middle. So that's the look. It's really cute, really fall vibes for sure. I straightened my hair. I put some jewelry on. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like this look. It's a little quick tutorial how to do this pretty festive orange look. I haven't straightened my hair or done anything like this in a while, so I feel brand new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you haven't watched any of my recent videos, please do. That means so much to me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!